Hey guys, today I'm sharing with you my review of my kitchen mobile cart. As someone with zero counter space, I can tell you this has been a game changer. It's made of hardwood, and I chose the 54-inch length because we really needed the space. Stands about 35.5 inches high, and the front part here is about 20 inches, but with the leaf that opens up, it'll give you an extra 11.5 inches of space. It has ample room for knives and utilities. The other end over here comes with a paper towel bar that you can install, but we chose not to. The two drawers glide easily, and each cabinet comes with two shelves and opens nicely. It moves easily on the rubber wheels so that it won't scratch your floor. And overall, I highly recommend this. It's a nice piece of furniture if you're looking to add counter space.